On our way to the farm, and Dennis is having pure lime from the mountains. You guys, this is like the best lime I've had. Can I try it? Oh, gracias, mi amor. I'm having guarapo. So refreshing. Here we have our campesino, Dennis's uncle. Gracias. First thing we're gonna do is milk the cows. This was actually Dennis's grandparents' house. They have since passed, but it's so cute to just kind of be here. It's very nostalgic. Buenos días. If you look closely, you'll actually see a river right over there. Animals everywhere. It's the best. Hola, baby. Vamos. Let's go. Bonito. Hola, Martina. So the cheese that we're actually gonna go get is panaderia, his bakery, which is so cool. Wow. I don't know how many there are, maybe 100? Acá no hay toro, ¿cierto? Ah. Buenos días. Wow. Buenos días. Ay, ese tan chiquitito.
Listo, la cogemos entonces. Ya le están dando la comida.
Ahí ya está la leche.
Mira el toro tan lindo.
Claro, es muy bonito. How beautiful is this? This is a guayaba tree. We're gonna go see the babies.
Esté tranquila.
Tan chiquitito. They're putting the milk on top of her to transport it.
Mira que ya se va.
So this is the milk that they're gonna transport up. Wow. He's such a baby. ¿Y para dónde la llevan? Para arriba, para la casa, para hacer el queso. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? Ay, no, qué lindo. This looks like Encanto. Como cae bonito.
Con el toro que tengo, mira, las crías todas son bonitas, con la orejita muy linda.
This one doesn't have a mom. Ay, qué delicia. Qué rica. So good. This is a bowl. I just don't like that I'm wearing red. We're off to the river. How bonito. Wow. Fresh air, fresh water. It's just beautiful here. Nobody really lives here, so no civilization. Just Dennis's grandparents who used to be here. So. And that's it, we're here. Son limones, mira. Fresh lemons, beautiful. See? Mira, wow. Natalie editing girl over here. I just want to let you know that these segments are clearly edited by Dennis. It's a very unique style. Not the offline human style, but hey. Alright, back to the vlog. Rico. Feed her a little bit of perico. Wow, look at Dennis. What's this? Blood stains from?
Some man I do.
Oh my. Ayer los vimos tan lindos, qué peca. Buenos días. Pica, esa gallinita atrás de usted, Fabiola. Cuidado. Qué peca. Oh my god, there's hummingbirds. We We have since arrived at Dennis's grandparents' farm. It is beautiful. Literally anywhere that you look, this is theirs. There's a river. There's a bunch of cows. There's pigs. There's horses. We're gonna be riding horses a little bit. There's doggies, chickens. I mean, kind of like my dream place. I love this stuff. Relaxing, having some fresh air.
El achote.
Wow, achote. Look
Sí.
at that.
Look.
That's like
Mira,
makeup.
mira,
Ah, no
mira.
lo puedo
Se ve
creer.
como azafrán para las comidas.
Yeah, tan lindos. Todos felices.
You got it. Good. Así se sostiene.
I don't ride horses. I've never done this. Está como chiquitica esa. This is totally new for me. Wow, look at this. Ah. Wow, Victor, se ve muy elegante usted ahí. This is my horse, a little hungry. We're overlooking the mountains, the river. Views are a little scary, I'm not gonna lie.
My teacher said I would never amount to anything. And look at me now. Riding a horse.
Look at this beautifulness.
Yeah, they don't know shit. Ever wanted to pet a horse before? Here, experience it through me. This is like really thin. Make it go by little taps on the side.
So relaxing, disconnecting, going offline. Oh shit. I guess I'm leading. I don't know. Who put me in charge? Que belleza, we're going through here. Ay, tan lindos. I need to be attentive though. Wait, now we're going through really tall grass. Look at this, guys. This is insane. I don't even know how I'm not scared. It's so, like, you'll go down. There's a cow that actually fell, so they had to go search for it, and that's Dennis's horse that was searching, so he's tired. This one's so sweet. I'm gonna give it so much guavas. If only you guys could smell the fresh air here. It's distinguishable. I know it sounds so loopy, but it's so cool. Está diferente. Mira. Vamos. Going over there. Literally a jungle. That's where we're going. Wow. No, no, no. We're at the top. This is crazy beautiful. It's the way we had to get through so many trees, you guys. Broken trees, you have to be careful. We are swimming in grass.
Have you hurt your hand at all with the thing?
No.
I cut myself.
Look at that tree. Look at this. We're at the tippity top. That's down, down, down we go. Look, look, that's how steep we are. It's dangerous.
Yeah, I don't care what anybody says. How's it dangerous? You could totally just go down and fall and die.
What has it been, like 2 hours? An hour?
Too long.
No, it's fun. I've detached from the fact that we're here and I'm relaxed. I just fell off the horse. ¿Esto cómo es que se llama?
Guanábana.
Pero habla mucho esa.
Hola. Hola.
Qué bonito.
Estamos hablando exactamente, pues bien, esta mucha pero que mucha Colombia, este es una idea podría pasar de ser la próxima. Espíritu intrépido ya había probado suerte con...
It's 6:30. It's the rainiest, most calming view right now. The clouds are like just hovering over the mountains. All the animals are waking up. It's so beautiful. Just out here with the cows. How beautiful is this? Get ready with me to take my first ever horse riding classes in Colombia. I actually have no idea what to expect. I've been wanting to take horse riding classes for a very long time now. I'm definitely someone who loves learning new things, but even more so activities that make me go offline. I've been trying to find new ways to disconnect. It's like, okay, I'm in Colombia. Horse riding is a big thing here. Let me just give it a go. We're gonna see. I have no expectations. I also feel like I'm kind of detaching a little bit. The idea of riding a horse is actually very scary to me. It almost feels like a car, like a motor that just, you know? And I just feel like I have a lot to learn. I don't really know a lot about horses. Classes are gonna be here in Medellin, horse riding school, which is crazy. It was funny because the lady was like, how old are you? And I was like, oh, I'm 30. For me, I love learning new things. I'm actually planning on taking these off as well. Should I do that now? This might be actually a very bad idea. Girl, I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to take this off. I should have kept them on. Ay. Do I have time to take this off? Oh boy. Actually, this weekend on the farm, I rode a mula. So a mula is not exactly a horse. Really good with being on top of mountains and cliffs and things like that. But they're like a lot more gentle. I feel like this is cracking my hair. Oh my, that's not a good idea. It's gonna give me major split ends. I don't know how to do this. Let's just figure something new out because I'm not gonna have time for this. Yeah, I think in the next one, I'm just gonna have to remove my hair with you. I've really been enjoying Colombia. I've also just been enjoying doing things that my younger self would have always wanted to do. I don't know, like spiritually rewarding. You listen to your little self. My 30s has also just been an age of a lot of self-discovery, realization, and just kind of doing things for me, which is really great. Oh my. Hopefully that doesn't hurt as I gallop away. This is the final hair. This is how we're going. I just asked Dennis if he has any tips for me, and he says
Then you gotta do it in a thong. That way you'll look like a badass chick riding a horse in a thong.
it is, huh? Yeah, I don't know anything. Never done this. Buenas, ¿cómo está? Muy bien. They asked me, what do I know? I know nothing.
Aquí la tengo bien captada.
Nos vamos a querer toda la vida. Por tus brazos sin un pelo, por tus lágrimas sin voz, me muero. Cuando las palabras de verso digo rosa, quizás cuando la rosa lo pueda decir. Es mi niña bonita. Yo soy.
Day 2 of riding horses. Today I'm gonna try and be a little more courageous and pick up speed. We'll see. I'm nervous.
¿Cuál es la diferencia, Natalie? Despacio.
So this is like a garden. This is a garden. Look how gorgeous. Wow. Look at these roses. Dennis is afraid he's gonna look like a photographer because he doesn't have
The actual jacket on.
the actual jacket on, and he has this bag. He's afraid people are gonna ask him for pictures. Ooh, where are we? Where are we, honey? Let's go back.
We unlocked a new level.
That's really pretty. Look at Anita. She looks gorgeous. Her dress is glistening. Oh my goodness. Wow. ¿Cómo se siente? Ay, qué bueno. All right, family picture time. We'll see how good this is. It's gonna be difficult.
Yo me hago por allá atrás.
Eso, atrás.
¡Saludito para ellos!
The captain has to give everybody aguardiente the whole night. La capitana!
Se trata ni de flores ni regalos. Yo pienso en realidad cuando por tonto a veces me quedo callado. Y mi amor no toma de razones. El amor te trata tú irás. Mira la que linda es, linda es, linda es. Pero que ella tenga compasión.